Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Matt Wacek. Welcome to the channel. So today I actually realized I had made a small mistake when setting up that Craigslist ad for that pay-per-call affiliate offer, and I needed to change that. So I figured I would show you guys this little mistake that I made, and the entire goal with the channel is to be as transparent with you and show you what I'm doing in my business and show you not only the successes that I have, but also the mistakes that I make, because everyone's human. We're not robots. As much as I like to work like a robot and basically be as predictable as I can and basically become a machine when I do my work, I do still make mistakes. So what actually happened was I just got an email through that Craigslist ad that I had dispatched. And with pay-per-call affiliate offers, with the network that I'm working for, they don't pay for contact form submissions. As much as that sucks, it's just reality. Just taking a quick read through the email, basically this person is looking for a water softener replacement. They live in this city, which was near Minneapolis, and they would have the water softener here, need someone to install it. So essentially they really just needed some plumbing work done, and they decided to send an email. So this offer that is being promoted, if you did not see that video, I will link to it up above or down below. It is a pay-per-call affiliate marketing campaign set up specifically for Craigslist traffic. We'll come over here to the post, and here's the mistake I made. I left this Craigslist mail relay, which is recommended for basically when someone wants to send an email through the account, they don't see the exact email address that's here, which is obviously blurred out. And so basically what I need to do from here is essentially send somewhat of an automated response, or make it look like an automated response, because I goofed up and I didn't switch the setting on the ad from the Craigslist mail relay, which I had just totally overlooked when creating the ad, to basically change it to no replies to this email. So basically making it an ad that is only set up for phone calls, no emails or anything like that, because we don't want to have emails come through. They're not worth anything to us with a pay-per-call offer. So that was the mistake I had made, which was basically to not click this setting for no replies to the email. So we're going to click continue and then publish that. And there we go, that's set up. So now I'm gonna actually reply to this email and basically just make it super generic and try to recover this sale, because hey, this could be a qualified lead. If they obviously are willing to invest the time to write out an email like that, they are somewhat willing to probably be on the phone for enough of a duration. That way we can at least get paid for the phone call generated. So I'm going to write this out really quick. So there we go, we have it all written out. Basically just really quick response to try to get them to come back and call us, as opposed to doing an email conversation, because emails are not worth anything to us. I basically wrote out, hey, we can certainly help you out. Please give us a call at our number, and then we can get the ball rolling. Thanks. Boom, that's it. Very simple. I'm going to click send and we'll see what happens. Anyways, guys, if you like this type of content, be sure to go down below, smash that like button, and if you want to stay up to date on the newest content and you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below, click the bell also for the notifications, so that way you know when the newest content comes live. And also, if you are not already on the VIP notification list for pay-per-call lead gen mastery, go down below, click the link in the description, and you will be taken to the page where you can get on that list. That way you know right away when the new course comes out, which is going to be very soon. And if you're watching this 6 months, 12 months, 2 years in the future, the link will be most likely right down below in the description. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist.